Do you feel anxious or maybe cannot sleep by night because of the fear that is always here? Do you feel restless? Just follow this step-by-step guide and I can assure you it will help you. For as long as you have to, do this ritual, and as the candle is burning, meditate and visualize all your fears burning away in this fire. You will free yourself from many fears. Let's get rid of the anxiety once and for all. In this spell, we are going to use blue candle because blue candle represents calmness, harmony, and it symbolizes healing. We are also going to use some lavender buds for calming energy. A piece of paper, of course. Also take one pen and some Himalayan salt. Himalayan salt cleanses our aura and removes blockages. We're going to burn the candle, so we're going to need a plate and one string to attach your thoughts to the candle and burn them. Burn your fear. If you can, before any spell, you will need to clean your space with sage, palo santo, or burnt cinnamon stick. If you don't have, you can always get a cinnamon stick, right? Okay, let's begin. So grab a piece of paper and your pen and start writing everything you want. Anything that you consider a problem, anything you want to get rid of, anything that causes your anxiety, any fear that you have, anything. Now you will use the blue candle, the paper, wrap the paper around the candle, and just use this cord to bind it together so your fears and your problems can burn. Now the candle is ready. Let's set the plate. First, you need to set the space for your candle. The best possible way is to add some wax from white candle at the middle and set it in. So we put our worries at the candle and they will burn. Now we're going to add lavender for its calming effect or healing. Okay. Now some Himalayan salt. Begin. Light up the candle. And let it burn all the way down. As the candle and paper are burning, you will visualize your anxiety, all your fears, and all your fears from the problem will go away. Burn the paper. As you're burning it, let this fire burn away my fears, anxiety, and my anxious thoughts. Goodbye and never come back. You can write your own affirmation, but I will repeat that affirmation once again. Burn the paper, and as you're burning it, let this fire burn away my fears, my anxiety, and my anxious thoughts. Goodbye and never come back. The intention is set. Now just try to meditate and visualize yourself. No stress, no anxiety, just peace and calmness. You can